guys, welcome to I'll Be Pretty channel. I'm Lolita Golightly and I'm here today to show you how to make your own Louboutin heels. This is a DIY way to make your own Loubis without having to spend thousands of dollars. We all know we're queens on a budget, but we want to look pretty, so this video is for you. This is a pair I made myself. You really can't tell from far away that they're not Loubis. I have tried many techniques before that were not very successful, such as spray painting the shoes. The spray paint gets a little bit everywhere and it gets on the floor. You don't want to do that. I recently discovered on Amazon this beautiful paint color. It's called Walk on Red. Later on I'll put all the details in the link below. However, this was around $7–8, maybe $9 with shipping, and it's flawless. So let's get to work. This is what you need to do your own Loubis. Obviously the Walk on Red color paint, a pair of shoes you want to paint, possibly rubber soles, and I like to do it on a light color, that's easier. A nail polish remover to clean up some little details when you mess up. A brush of your choice. Paper tape to block the sole. And some Q-tips later on to just go in and clean up your mess. So first thing you want to do is you take your shoes, you clean up the sole if they had some stickers that left some glue on it, and then with the paper tape you just go in as close as possible to the edge. You really mold it with your hands. It's really easy, nothing complicated here. You just can do this when it goes around the corner. And you proceed with this technique, trying to be as close as possible as the edge. This is it. I just masked the whole shoe. In this special pair of shoes, the sole doesn't go all the way to the heel, but it stops here. So I had to mask also that little point there. So next thing you want to do is take your brush. I usually use a medium paintbrush, sort of like this width, but you can use whatever you feel comfortable with. And it's super easy. You just take your color. You don't dilute it with water, you just go straight in. Actually, that could be good for the details. I could use a little bit larger brush for now. Yes. And then you just go in. Easy peasy. Try to put not too much product on it. But it's basically just like painting a flat surface. No big deal. And you keep going like that. When you get to the edges, just be careful. Switch to the smaller brush and be careful not to go over the edge. So now you have to let it dry for about half an hour, and then you can go back and add one more layer if you want to, just to smooth it out. And basically you just remove the tape after. If you went over, you take a Q-tip and with a little bit of nail polish you try to clean up the spots that you messed up. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Comment, subscribe. I want to hear you guys doing your Louboutins projects. So see you next time. Bye.